Hey, mama, Roz here, your biz bestie and founder of Clean Start Academy, where we don't wait for clarity, we clean our way to it. If you're sitting here thinking, okay, how do I actually get people to book me? Girl, this one is for you. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to get your first 5 cleaning clients without running ads, begging friends, or feeling overwhelmed. Okay, so let's get right into it. Step 1, start with who you know. Yep, friends, neighbors, co-workers, teacher, daycare moms, they're all in your circle. The key is don't sell to them, ask for referrals. Okay, so here's an example. Hey, I'm starting my cleaning business and I'm looking to serve 5 homes this month. Do you know anyone who could use my help? Yep, it's that easy. Okay, step 2. Post your I'm open for business pic. Make it official. Take a selfie or a clean space photo and post it on Facebook, Instagram, and in local groups with a confident caption, what service you're offering and how to contact you. Okay, step 3. Use hyper-local strategies. Get inside Facebook groups with your zip code. Post in neighborhood apps like Nextdoor. Print simple flyers for local bulletin boards. All right, so a bonus tip. Offer a foundering client deal. So for your first client, this creates a sense of urgency and makes them feel special. Okay, so step 4 is a good one. Script your pitch. Whether you're in person, DMs, or a voicemail, have a short and sweet pitch ready. So example, hi, my name is Rosalind. I'm running Rise and Shine Cleaning Agency, and I'm looking for a few homes to clean this month. I'd love to give you a quote. Is that something you'll like to be open to? All right, so step 5, and this is also a doozy and a great one. Over deliver every time. Those first 5 clients are gold. Treat them like VIPs. Show up early, communicate clearly, and leave behind a thank you note and a referral card. Happy clients equals repeat clients, plus referrals. All right. Okay, mama, so you're capable of this. Start small, start messy, but start. Grab your free cleaning biz checklist below, and I'll walk you through it. Everything you need to launch with confidence. And if you're serious about growing your business fast, come join us in the Clean Start Academy. You're not meant to do this alone. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment about what client goals that you have coming up soon. All right, let's go get this done.